So in this question, you're given f of x is an antiderivative of what you see here. So another way to say that is f of x, antiderivative means integral. So f of x is the integral of x squared times the square root of x cubed plus 1. And of course, they don't say dx, but that would be needed to make this mathematically correct. Well, if that's true, then f of x is also the derivative of what you see here, or the antiderivative, the integral, and so we're going to take that integral. The inner function is x cubed plus 1. The derivative of x cubed plus 1 is 3x squared, so we're always going to divide by that derivative of the inner, and so now we're really looking at 1/3 the integral of the square root of that inner function u du. Well, when I integrate this, this is really u to the 1/2, so I'm going to add 1 in the form of 2 over 2 and get u to the 3/2 times the reciprocal 2/3. But we already had 1/3 of that. So now we're looking at 2 over 9, this inner function of x cubed plus 1 to the 3/2. Well, that can be written as square root 3rd power. Well, all of this plus c is equal to f of x. And they give us this initial condition of 0, no, excuse me. They give us this initial condition of 2x gives y of 0. So we have 0 equals 2 over 9 square root of 2 cubed. Well, that's going to be 8 plus 1 is 9. So they really have square root of 9 cubed times 2/9. Well, that's also 2 over 9. The square root of 9, I'm going to do the square root first. Square root of 9 is 3. Cubed is 27. So we're really looking at 27 times 2 over 9. Simplifying further, 27 divided by 9 is 3. And 3 times 2 is 6. So that means that our constant is 6. Because we really had all of this plus c. So wait a minute, let's just double check. We've got 0 equals 6 plus c. C would be negative 6. So again, here's our antiderivative. We've just found that our c is negative 6. And now we're going to find out what happens when I plug 0 in for x. So when I do, 0 cubed is 0 plus 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1, and 1 cubed is still 1. So we really have f of 0 is equal to 2 over 9 minus 6. Now we do some fraction work. I need a common denominator of 9. So this gets 9 over 9 multiplied by 6. 2 minus 54 all over 9 is equal to negative 52 over 9. Correct answer is D.